Hi guys!
Welcome back to monthly favorites. Welcome back to June favorites. I cannot believe 6 months are over.
Yeah, half of 2021 is over. So let's just move past that and let's move on.
So starting off, the first favorite which I have is an epilator by a brand called as Braun. So this is actually a very old epilator which my mom got as a gift, but she did not use it at all. So recently we were cleaning and we got this. So I tried to use this. So I love it on my hand. Literally बाल grow नहीं होते हैं बहुत easily. Like 7 days तो बिल्कुल grow नहीं हुए. उसके बाद थोड़ा थोड़ा हुआ. So I did it once more. Legs में ना मेरे को थोड़ा भी डर लग रहा है because ये ना खींचता है. It is literally like waxing but more painful than waxing for some reason because waxing कोई और करता है ना. तो हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते. But ये जब खुद से करना होता है तो मेरी फट रही है. But hands के लिए I'm really liking this. धीरे धीरे once I'm very comfortable with my hands, I'm sure मेरे को legs के लिए भी और comfortable, legs के लिए भी ये use कर रही हूँ but I'm not very confident. But I'm sure धीरे धीरे ये बहुत easy हो जाएगा. And this is like a good one time investment. आप एक बार invest करो. Mine one comes with a plug. इसमें बैटरी वाला नहीं है. So I have to always attach to a plug. But it is not an issue because आपको गीला वीला करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप like मैं अपने रूम में बैठ के करती हूँ तो मेरे को इशू नहीं होता है. So yeah, it is a one time investment but a good one. So I really like this.
And on number 1 on my list is a sheet mask. After a really long time, I found like a new sheet mask that I really like. So it is from Garnier. It's their charcoal sheet mask. It is originally priced at 99, but I got it on an offer. I got it for 80 rupees. So which I think is a steal. You can find Garnier on discounts at least on Amazon or on Nykaa. And the reason I was looking for a new sheet mask is because I always use the Deer Packer ones, but वो out of stock हो गए हैं या discontinue हो गए. I'm not sure. Like there are other variants from Deer Packer that is available, but the charcoal one is not available. And I personally love charcoal sheet masks, so I switched to this just for trying. I bought 2. I used them and it works exactly like the Deer Packer one. And I'm like so happy कि मुझे कुछ जो लंबे समय तक market में रहेगा वो मिला. So all in all, it's a very good sheet mask. Of course, does the job. It's basic, but for charcoal से ना I just feel that my skin just instantly gets brightened a little bit. So I incline towards charcoal sheet mask. So you all should also definitely check it out.
So the next thing which I have is a hair mask. This is by The next product which I have is by a brand called as The Natural Wash. It is a hair mask. So it is a powdered based hair mask. I typically don't like powdered based hair mask, but recently I am applying dahi in my hair. तो ये मैं दही के साथ mix कर देती हूँ तो 2-in-1 हो ही जाता है.
That would be a very nice way to use it.
Yeah, exactly. So मैं उसको दही के साथ डालती हूँ. I also add a little bit of lemon and थोड़ा सा honey. So this is how I use this hair mask. And even my mom is using it. हम दोनों ये use कर रहे हैं. Both of them is liking more than me. My mom loves this. So yeah, a good buy. And it is for 390 rupees. A little expensive for a powdered one, but just lasts for a long period of time. So आराम से ये चलेगा.
And the next product that I have is a lip pencil. This is from PAC. It's just their lip pencil, कुछ नाम नहीं है. The shade that I have is 16 Natural. This is a very MLBB shade for me, like exactly my skin tone. I cannot wear this on my own because वो कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है. But I actually bought this on Shreya Jain's recommendation. This is just for 200 rupees. This is such a huge pencil. It is a sharpenable one. It comes in a lot of different shades. I have used this today underneath my lipstick. And the only reason I bought a lip pencil is because of course I've heard that it makes your lipstick last longer. So that's the only reason I bought this. And I'm glad that it's such a neutral shade because वो lipstick का color change नहीं करता है ऊपर. And it's matte, it's comfortable. It does not tug and pull on your lips at all.
The next item which I have is a deo. This is by a brand called Studio West. I guess ये West Side का brand है. This is in the variant Rush. This smells so good. I love to wear this when I'm going in the gym. I'm a person who likes sweety fragrances. So it's for 225 rupees. I got it as a gift. So it is a good one. I guess पूरा महीना मैंने use किया and I can see a lot of product in it. So yeah, I love the smell of it. It stays for a long period of time.
Okay, so the next product that I have is like such a fancy but such a good investment. I mean, it's not even an investment because it's so cheap. So I bought a new toaster. This is from a brand called as Koryo. It is on Amazon. I will leave a link, of course. Let me show you how it looks from inside. So this is how it looks like. Very very basic. इसमें दो slices आप toast कर सकते हो. And this I bought just for 599 rupees, which I think is a steal. It also looks pretty, right?
Yeah.
It's white, it's basic. And मेरे घर पे जब से ये आया तब से bread बहुत ज़्यादा आने लगी है because everyone is enjoying using this. I will insert a video here of the toast popping out so that y'all can also enjoy that. And not only that, you can also reheat your toasts in it. वो उसको crusty या crunchy नहीं करेगा. It will just normally heat it because usually क्या होता है आप toast को अगर reheat करो वो बहुत कड़क हो जाता है, shrink हो जाता है, but इसमें वो नहीं होता, which I think is a very cool feature for the price you are paying especially. And also there's like a cleansing tray over here जिसमें bread crumbs जाते हैं. So it's a very fancy product but affordable, and इसका 1 year का warranty भी है, so that's always nice. So yeah, I got that.
And so next thing which I have is not a product but it's a habit. I'm sure whenever आपके legs pain होते हैं अपने mom dad बोलते हैं कि गर्म पानी में पैर भिगा के रखो. So I recently started actually doing it, and what I do is I add Himalayan salt in it, the Himalayan pink salt in it, and मैं काफ़ी अच्छा amount डालती हूँ, and then मैं एकदम गर्म पानी करती हूँ और उसमें पैर डालती हूँ. I feel like it's a steam for me because जब आप पैर अंदर आते हो ना first 2-5 minutes आपको कुछ नहीं लगता है, पर उसके बाद मेरे पूरे body से पसीना निकलता है, एंड माई बॉडी फील सो रिलैक्स. स्पेशली लास्ट मंथ में ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है, या तो लॉन्ग डे ऑफ शूट्स था या तो घर पे बहुत गेस्ट थे तो पूरा दिन खाना बना रही थी, पैर दुख रहा था. और जिम में भी काफ़ी बार जब बहुत हैवी वर्कआउट या बहुत कार्डियो करती हूँ तो मेरा पैर बहुत दुख रहा था आजकल. सो आई ट्राइड दिस एंड आई फेल्ट इट सो नाइस एंड थेरेप्यूटिक. आई फील दैट हिमालयन पिंक सॉल्ट इज हेल्पिंग अ लॉट इन दैट.
नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव, आई थिंक ये पूरे फेवरेट्स में बहुत अडल्टिंग वाली चीजें हैं. So I bought my first piece of furniture from IKEA. I placed an order for a bookshelf. So it is actually a bookshelf. I didn't order it to use it as a bookshelf, but I ordered it to use it as like a crockery cabinet. So my mom always wanted a cabinet जिसमें वो separately सब fancy बर्तन रखे basically कांच के. We had like a small cabinet for it, but she really wanted something that would display it basically. ये सबकी मम्मी का होता है ये. So मतलब this is very normal. But मेरे घर पे ना when interior चल रहा था ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. So that always stayed like a dream for my mom. And she never like complained or anything, but I always wanted to do something like that. But मुझे ज़्यादा idea नहीं था furniture का. So after like weeks and weeks of research and सब सोच समझने के बाद I came onto this bookshelf. This is for 6,500 rupees, and I actually placed the order in April, but it came in June because of the lockdown, and that's why it is in June favorite. It looks so good. It's white, so it goes well with the theme of our kitchen as well. And वो of course parts में आया था. So all the 4 of us, me, my brother, my mom and dad, वो manual लेके screw लेके सब लेके बैठे थे. It was like a fun activity. बहुत मजा आई. 2 घंटे हम लोग को लगे to completely install it because it was our first time ordering something online, and yeah, it was all ready. It looks so good. It's so fancy. I love it.
So the next thing which I have is an app. It's an app called as Balance. So it is meant for meditation. Recently I've been trying to meditate and do all those things, but I was not very regular on it, या मेरे को कुछ particular चीज़ जो अच्छा लग रहा था वैसा नहीं मिल रहा था. And then I came across this app called as Balance. So the app has different kind of meditation. So I started with sleep meditation. मतलब उसमें ऐसे लेके बैठना नहीं है, आप सो जाओ and आप वो play करो and they tell you to do certain type of exercise, like certain type of breathing. So that was good for me because I was feeling very weird to just idly sit something and start like that. So I started with sleep meditation for I guess 15 days, and then now I'm starting all different kind of meditations. Like they have 100 टाइप्स ऑफ मेडिटेशन, और ये ऐप में ना एक स्ट्रीक जैसा चीज़ है. अपने स्नैपचैट में जैसा होता है 1 दिन किया, 2 दिन किया, 3 दिन किया. सो दैट मोटिवेट्स भी कि मेरे को स्ट्रीक नहीं तोड़नी है. सो आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू द मेडिटेशन. तो पहले 5 मिनट आई डू दैट बिकॉज ऑफ द स्ट्रीक वाला हैबिट, एंड देन व्हेंस आई कंप्लीट 30 days इट हैज अ अवार्ड के ओ यू कंप्लीटेड 30 days ऐसा करके. सो इट इज अ नाइस ऐप.
Okay, moving on, I have a favorite show of the month, and that is Family Man season 2. It is on Amazon on Prime. It is something that you will have to watch from the beginning. मैंने season 1 last year lockdown में देखा था, and it ended on such a ridiculous note. I mean, I just wanted to know what happened next, and finally season 2 आया. Literally in one day,
Oh,
one
God.
day, me and my brother both watched all the 9 or 10 episodes. I'm not sure. And वो एक घंटे के episodes है. Okay, we watched everything. It's so good. Thriller, basically thriller, suspense, and ये criminal वाली चीजें. That's not my genre. If you've been following our favorites, you know.
Yeah.
But this is something different. Like, I don't know. I just got hooked onto it because of my brother. I have an immense respect for Manoj Bajpayee's acting. Like, he's so on point. He's so underrated. I'm not going to tell you anything about the story because किसी को समझेगा ही नहीं अगर मैं बोलूँगी तो. So you have to watch it. It is that good.
Moving on to the favorite day of our month, it definitely has to be our staycation, which we have vlogged. The link is down below. I feel that was a great getaway and a much needed break. And next also was my day when I got vaccinated. So both of these things were highlight of my month.
Moving on to my favorite day of the month, of course, the staycation tops it off. It was such a fun experience.
Yeah.
So that's so there. Apart from that, I have also vlogged this. The vlog will be coming up soon. So it is about my small business. So if you all don't know, I do have my own small business of Rakhis. So Pernia's pop-up shop reached out to me to be one of their Rakhi designers for 2021. I have explained everything in detail in that vlog. So that's coming up soon. But it is all in all a very surreal new learning experience for me. I have never worked with such a big brand before. It is like huge. I feel nervous talking to them because it's really huge. They're very professional people, but I think it is a great learning experience. And Rakhi business is something that I did out of pure passion, nothing else. Like पैसे का ज़्यादा profits चाहिए ये वो का कभी thought नहीं था. But now that my designs, my work has been appreciated so much, it has motivated me to do so much more. So I'm just really happy that this happened, and this would be like a moment that I would cherish forever. So watch out for the vlog. There's a lot of fun stuff coming your way.
So yeah, that's all for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and also to click on the bell icon to get notified every time we put up a new video.
till then, take care.
Bye.